So today, got things laid out to do a white bean hummus. And the reason I like to do the white bean is because it's a little creamier and smoother. Also, some people, they can't eat garbanzos, so we're going to do it this way. So just a container full of my white beans that I've already made. Oh, don't worry, I've got my tool. If you ever overcook a batch of beans, save them, throw them in a freezer container, and use them for hummus later. I like to do mine with some sun-dried tomato. Once again, just all about the flavors to me. The version that I'm making doesn't have olive oil, although there's oil in the sun-dried tomato container, so I'm not opposed to olive oil. It's just, it's not necessary with this recipe. Then got some pink sea salt, in it goes. Garlic paste, just a good old dollop of that. Some tahini, the magic sauce. All right, good. Give it a blend. Some water to get the consistency right. Right now it's still a little too chunky, so I'm gonna drop in a little water here. Now we're gonna give it another go.
All right, so now we're going to add in some lime. I've got lime cubes, so you got lemon, that's great.
So when you add that lemon or lime, then it fluffs it up. And so at that point, when the consistency really changes. That's why you save that lemon or lime until the very end. Unfortunately, here in Guatemala, lemons are really rare, but we got a lot of limes. I've got my handy dandy taste testing spoons, also known as a carrot. Nailed it. Super awesome. All right, done with the hummus. I put it in these little snack packs. Helps me out with portion control because this stuff's addictive. And I'll just sit there and keep eating it and eating it. And although it's not unhealthy, you know, just everything in moderation. So by doing it this way, I just pull out a snack pack. I either eat part of it or a whole one, and then I call it quits. And that's my technique.